Witchcraft, the practice of magic, especially black magic, using spells. In modern context, religious practice involving magic and affinity with nature, usually within a pagan tradition. There is also bewitching, or fascinating attraction or charm. You may bewitch someone with your beauty or your potion, leading us to the original word for witchcraft, pharma. In the ancient world, medical practice was merged with witchcraft, pharma, trading one illness for another. On a broader scale, the true meaning is to cause suffering.